When you get paid by the square foot for flood extraction, efficient extraction is critical, and it starts with the equipment engineered with Restore's specific needs in mind. The HVE 3000's powerful dual vac system comes equipped with a separate circuit indicator light. If power is limited, no worries, it can even operate on a 15 amp circuit. Unlike competitive units that use a plastic sump pump, the HVE 3000 comes with a clog-resistant, high-volume industrial pump that handles up to a half-inch solids. You can connect a 3/4 inch garden hose, but to really ramp it up, use an 1.5 inch hose to pump out the maximum output of up to 50 gallons per minute. Our team designed the HVE 3000 for no-hassle extraction. The toilet-high drain hose speeds after-job cleanup. The cylindrical tank increases vacuum efficiency with an easy clean top-level filter. Just snap it out and rinse. When the job's all done, just pop off the top and hose out the tank, with no corners to collect debris, making for a fast clean out. It's also critical to use the right extraction tool. Everyday cleaning wands leave way too much water behind and slow down the drying process. You can save up to 33% of deep extraction time by removing initial water with the Dri Eaz extraction tool. Its patent-pending glide ensures high vacuum, while the vacuum release makes it easy to use. There's no substitute for weighted deep extraction. It's the most efficient way to remove water from carpet and pad, and the Dri Eaz Rover delivers a more thorough and consistent extraction than any other weighted tool. Plus, it offers unrivaled maneuverability. The Rover is kept light and compact, as easy to transport as a suitcase. Significantly improve your efficiency and increase your extraction ROI by choosing Dri Eaz extraction equipment. For more information, visit legendbrandsrestoration.com.